Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bobette from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a circular curve up, leaving the bottom open. Now top and side, and let's draw two large ovals for the eyes. And then a large circle inside each one. And color both of these in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw two curves for the eyelashes. And then two more on the bottom corners. Now top to the middle, and let's draw a curve for the mouth. Now top up on the top right, and let's draw a zigzag line. Then on the top right, let's draw two angles up and out, and a curve across. Now on top of this curve, let's add a small bump. And then let's curve it up, around, and swirl it back in. And now thicken this line up slightly. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. At the bottom of the head here, let's draw a bumpy line across. Then a bump down on both sides, and then one more bumpy line to close it off at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right for the sides of the body. And then another bumpy line across. Let's bring it down again on both sides. And then close it off with another bumpy line. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start with an angle down and bring it out. And then another smaller angle underneath. Now at the ends of the arms here, let's add the fur. Let's draw a bumpy line all the way around, like this. And now for the hands, let's draw a large curve out and back in. And then a smaller curve for the thumbs. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Let's start with two lines down in the center. And then two more on the sides. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and back around. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw a curve across. And then two angles up on top. And that's it for Bobette. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!